Students, start with the chapter number 4, list and table handling in HTML. Sometimes while presenting the information, we need to list different individual entities. Instead of writing such entities in continuous paragraph form, these individual items are presented as a list with or without numbers. By presenting the entities in such a way to increase the clarity in representation and aids readers in understanding them. Now students, types of list in HTML. There are basic 4 types of HTML list. The first one is unordered list, second one is description list, and third one is ordered list. Let's start with the first type of list is unordered list. An unordered list contains the item along with a symbol. A symbol seen in the front of unordered list is called bullet. To create an unordered list in HTML, the UL tag start and UL tag close, that is in pair, we used. In unordered list, full form of UL, that is unordered list. The items of the list are enclosed within the LI. LI stands for list item start and list item close. Here the full form of LI, that is again list form or list item, given in figure HTML code to make unordered list. Students, start with the first practical of the 4th chapter. See, the first one is HTML tag. Second one, body. Body is useful for inserting anything on the web page, so that we used body tag. Here the new tag is font color. Font color, in that tag we take the attribute as blue. H1, that is heading 1. Here I am giving the heading 1 as an unordered list. H1 close. Then font close. Then start with UL. UL stands for unordered list. Here the font size is 6. Then start with B tag. B means bold. Then UL tag along with LI tag, list item. The first item is chocolate, LI start, LI close. Then second item, LI notebook, LI close. Third item, practice book, LI close. Fourth item, LI markers, LI close. Then font close, UL close, body close, HTML close. Now students, save this file with the name file save as and vbv5.html. Save it. Now students, minimize it, double click on vbv5, then you will see this an unordered list. Then first one is, this is the first bullet with circle, that is thick and dark. The first item is chocolates, second item is notebook, third item is practice book, and fourth one is markers. Here our first practical is over. Now after the unordered list, if you want to change the bullet, we have to use description list. For this, let's start with the second practical. Now students, the first one is HTML, then body, third one is font color. The font color is brown. H1 an unordered list with various bullet. H1 close, font close. Now for the first unordered list with default bullet, start with font color as blue, H1 that is heading 1. Here we can give the heading as an unordered list in default bullets, H1 close, font close. Then over here just type UL. Then font size is equal to 6. Bold tag, thick and dark. Here the first list item is chocolates, list item close. Second list item is ice cream, list item close. Bold close, font close, UL close. This UL is for default bullets close. Now for the second case, font color again blue. H1 that is the heading 1, an unordered list in circle or circular bullet. H1 close, font close. Here we can type UL with type is equal to circle. Font size is equal to 6. Then bold. Then over here list item is, the first list item is chocolates, li close. The second list item that is li, ice cream, li close. Bold close, font close, and UL close for the second case, that is unordered list with circular bullet. Then third one is font color is equal to blue, H1 that is heading 1, an unordered list in square bullets. We have to insert with square bullets. H1 close, font close. Over here we use UL along with type is equal to square because we have to inserted square bullets. Font size is equal to 6. B stands for bold. Again first list item is chocolate, li close. Second list item ice cream, li close. B close, font close, UL close. This is the third case. Now for the fourth case with description tag. Font color is equal to blue. H1 an unordered list without bullets. Font close, DL. Here DL stands for description list. Then font size is equal to 6. Then bold. Then DT. Here the new term or new tag is DT, description term. Over here in description term the first is chocolate. Then we use description DD. DD stands for description describe. Ice cream, DD close. Again description describe fruits and nut, DD close. Same way for dry fruits and almonds. Then next tag is bold close, font close, DL close. Then close the font tag, UL tag, body tag, HTML tag. Now student, save this file as VBV6.html. Then save it, minimize it, see the result. An unordered list in various bullets, an unordered list with default bullets that is circular, thick and dark, an unordered list in circle bullets that is only circle without fill the color. The third one is an unordered list with square bullets, that is the bullets is with square, and the last one is an unordered list with bullets along with DD, DL and DT. The next topic is heading of list. To provide heading of a list, we have to simplify use LH. tag. Obviously, the heading must appear before the list. Hence, before we starting the ally and ally tag pair, you need to use LH tag with the required heading. See some example given below. LH, my shopping list, LH close. Now, let's understand with order list. An order list contains items along with numbers or alphabet instead of bullets. To create an order list in HTML, the OL start and OL close tag pair is used. As usual, the items of the list are enclosed within the li start and li close. Li stands for list item. Now students, start with this order list practical. The first one is HTML. Second tag is body. Third tag is font color blue. H1, that is heading 1. Here we can give as heading and on an ordered list. H1 close. Font close. OL that is order list. Font size is equal to 6. B stands for bold that is thick and dark. OL tag along with list item. The first list item is chocolate, li close. Second list item is li notebook, li close. The third one is li practice book, li close. Li markers, li close. That is the fourth item. Font close, OL close, body close, HTML close. Now student, save this file as VBV 7.html. Save it. See, this is the practical of order list. The first number is for chocolate, second number is for notebook, third number is for practice book, and fourth number is for markers. Now students, or after the order list with alphabets. Instead of numbers, we may use alphabets such as A, B, C, that is in capital letter, or A, B, C in small letter. We may also use the Roman numbers. This can be done by using attribute with OL tag. Table 4.1 gives the information about value and its description that we used in order list tag. The first value is 1, it gives number. Then capital letter, that is uppercase alphabets. For inserting small letter A, we use lowercase alphabets. For the Roman numbers, we use I, uppercase Roman numbers. And for lowercase Roman number, we use small I. Now student, start with the practical of order list with different values. First tag is HTML, second tag is body, third tag is font color, that is blue. H1, over here I am giving the H1 as an on order list, that is an order list. Font close, UL stands for on order list. Font size is equal to 4. B, LI, that is list item, chocolates, list item close. Then font size 4. Over here we take OL type. OL means order list type with small a, that is lowercase alphabet. along with LI. LI stands for list item. Then type dark chocolates, LI close. Second list item is fruits and nuts dark, LI close. Then OL close. Now font close. Now the next one is list item ice cream. OL type is equal to small a, that is in lowercase. Font size is equal to 4. Then list item insert vanilla. Then second list item chocolate chips. Font close, that is OL close. B close. Font close for the main one. UL close. Body close. HTML close. Now students, save the file on the desktop with vbv8.html. Save it, minimize it. If you double click on see a non-order list, the first one is a non-order list, that is in chocolate. Then under this we used order list, that is with lowercase a, lowercase b. Dark chocolate is in lowercase a, fruits and nuts dark, that is b. For the ice cream and on-order list, the first one A, that is vanilla, and chocolate chips, that is B. Students, the next tag is table. I am giving the basic information about the table. See, this is the table. Table is made up of rows and columns. In table, horizontal line is known as row. See, this is the second row, this is the first row, and so on. In table, vertical line is known as column. See, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. To insert the table on the web page through HTML language, we can use table tag along with border. See, in angular bracket we have to type table space, then define border is equal to 1. You can insert 2, 3, 4, etc. Then you can end the table with table tag, that is close table tag. To insert heading about the table, we can use caption tag. Caption start, caption close. The square box in the table is known as cell. See, this is the first cell, second cell, third cell. Cell is made up of row and column. The definition of cell is as follows. The intersection of rows and column is known as cell. To insert heading on the cell, we can use th start and th close tag. To insert row in the table, we can use tr. tr start, tr close. Tr stands for table row. Then to insert the data within the cell, we can use TD. TD stands for table data. Now students, this is your table. Table is made up of rows and columns. Vertical line is known as columns and horizontal line is known as rows. Cell is made up of intersection of rows and column. Now student, start with the first practical. See, this is the first practical, that is in code listing 4.6. See, first tag is HTML, second tag is body. Here I am giving the heading one as my first table. P stands for paragraph. My first table is as follows. Paragraph close. Then if we want to insert the table on the web page, we can use table tag along with border. Here I am taking the border as 2. Then for inserting first row, so the first tag is TR. TD means table data. If you want to insert something into the cell, that for we can use TD. This is the first row and first column, TD close. For the second cell, TD, this is the row 1, column 2, TD close. TR close, this is the first row, close. For the second row, again TR, TD, this is the row 2, column first, TD close. Again TD, this is the row 2, column 2. TD close, TR close. This is the second row close. Now close the table tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Now student, save this file .html extension. Over here I am giving the table file name as vbv9.html. Save it, minimize it. See, my first table is as follows. See, this is the table along with border 2. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. The first cell is, this is the first row of column 1. This is the row 1, column. Now students, make the student information table through HTML. The first tag is HTML, then body that we discussed in the chapter number 1. Body tag is useful for inserting anything on the web page. Then first tag is caption. Caption means for giving the heading on the or above the table. Caption. Then B tag, that is bold tag. I am giving the caption heading as a student information. Bold close, caption close. Then start with table tag. Table, then along with border is equal to 2. Then first row, TR. TR stands for table row. In this row, I am taking TH. TH stands for table heading. For the first row, for inserting heading of the table, we can use TH tag. Over here, first tag TH along with serial number, TH close. Second heading is TH name, TH close. Third heading is surname, TH start, TH close. Then close the first row, TR. Now for inserting the second row, we can start with TR tag. Then to change the background color of the row, I can type over here BG color is equal to orange. Then first data, that is in the cell, that is TD. TD stands for table data. I am inserting the serial number 1, TD close. Then second column is for the name, TD. Then I am giving the name of the student, for example Yash, TD close. Then the next column is surname. For inserting surname in that cell, I am using TD, that is table data, and I am typing over here Gandhi. TD close, TR close. This is the first row after the heading. Now for the second row, TR, BG color is equal to red. Then TD for the serial number 2, TD close. TD, Ravi, TD close, name. TD, Gandhi, that is the surname, TD close, TR close. For the third row, TR, BG color is equal to pink. TD is equal to 3, that is the third serial number, TD close. TD, Raj, TD close. TD, Gandhi, that is the surname, TD close, TR close, table close, body close, HTML close. Say this is the table of the student information. Now student save with dot HTML extension. See, this is the table with caption student information. The first row is serial number, name, surname along with heading. This is the first serial number. The name is Yash, surname is Gandhi. The second row is Ravi Gandhi. Third one is Raj Gandhi. So we can insert table on the web page through HTML language in this way.